What draws intrepid travelers to Crossville, Tennessee, nestled amidst the Cumberland Plateau? Tucked away in the heart of Tennessee's Cumberland Plateau, Crossville, Tennessee, is a treasure trove brimming with singular experiences just waiting to be discovered. Crossville TN's unique location on the Cumberland Plateau, coupled with the Crossville, Tennessee weather, serves as a year-round invitation for exploration. Often hailed as the Gulf of Tennessee, Crossville is a paradise for golf enthusiasts, with world-class Crossville, Tennessee golf resorts. Beyond golf, the historic downtown area of Crossville, Tennessee, is a jewel in the crown, preserving gems like the Art Deco Palace Theater, thereby enriching its vibrant cultural tapestry. Crossville, Tennessee encapsulates a unique fusion of natural allure, cultural richness, and a quintessential Southern A-town sculpted by time and informed by history. It beckons you to delve into its charm and experience it firsthand. Crossville, Tennessee is also renowned for its intriguing tornado history, often referred to as Crossville, Tennessee tornado, and an array of Crossville, Tennessee attractions. It's an ideal to seek Crossville, Tennessee jobs, follow the Crossville, Tennessee news, or even peruse Tennessee flea market. Frequently listed as one of the best small towns in Tennessee and the best in TN, it also houses the best campgrounds in Tennessee. Crossville houses numerous amenities, such as a Crossville, Tennessee hospital, Crossville, Tennessee Kroger, a cinema, a Crossville, Tennessee tractor supply store, and Alabama. The Crossville, Tennessee radar can help you plan your journey, while Crossville, Tennessee Walmart ensures you're well-stocked with travel necessities. The thriving Crossville, Tennessee real estate market brims with Crossville, Tennessee homes for sale, and Crossville, Tennessee apartments, as well as Crossville TN rental homes according to Zillow's Crossville, Tennessee listings. So why wait? Plan your Crossville adventure today. Don't forget to check out the Crossville TN weather 10-day forecast and savor its charm personally. Remember, there is a wealth of Crossville houses for sale and Crossville, Tennessee apartments waiting for you according to Crossville, Tennessee Zillow. Whether you are looking for a small town charm or a vibrant city life, Crossville, Tennessee, USA, with its Crossville TN zip codes and Crossville, Tennessee County, offers it all. Explore the Crossville TN attractions, hit up the Crossville, Tennessee shopping scene, or enjoy a movie at the Crossville, Tennessee movie theater. The Crossville, Tennessee weather radar and Crossville TN time zone can further in your planning. If you fall in love with this gem on the Cumberland Plateau, remember there are plenty Crossville, Tennessee houses for sale and Crossville TN apartments waiting. Planning to explore Crossville? Here are some practical tips to make your visit smooth and enjoyable. Crossville, also known as the golf capital of Tennessee, is a year-round destination. However, the best times to visit are during the spring and fall seasons. During these periods, the weather is mild and the city's natural beauty is at its peak. When it comes to getting around the city, there are a few options. Renting a car is a popular choice, providing the flexibility to explore at your own pace. However, if you prefer public transportation, the city's bus service, California, TS, runs throughout Crossville and its surrounding areas. It's a convenient and affordable way to travel. Now let's talk about packing. Crossville's climate can be a bit unpredictable, so layering is key. Don't forget to pack a lightweight waterproof jacket and comfortable walking shoes. If you're planning to hit the golf courses or hiking trails, sun protection like a hat and sunscreen are essential. Moving on to local customs and etiquette. Crossville's residents are known for their southern hospitality. A friendly smile and a polite hello can go a long way. When dining out, it's customary to tip service staff between 15 to 20% of the bill. And remember, this is a laid-back community, so take your time, relax, and enjoy the slower pace of life. It's also worth mentioning that Crossville is located in a dry county, which means the sale of alcohol is limited. However, there are exceptions for certain restaurants and wineries. So, if you enjoy a glass of wine with dinner, check the establishment's policies ahead of time. Armed with these tips, you're now ready to experience Crossville like a local. Crossville's natural beauty is simply breathtaking. Let's dive into the best outdoor activities this town has to offer. Nestled in the heart of Crossville, Cumberland Mountain State Park is a natural marvel that's impossible to ignore. This expansive park spans over 1,000 acres, offering a diverse landscape of dense forests, sparkling streams, and serene lakes. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual stroller, the park's well-maintained trails provide an array of options for all skill levels. With each step, you'll be greeted by the rustling leaves, the chirping birds, and the enchanting aroma of the wilderness. For those who enjoy the thrill of competition, Crossville boasts some of the finest golf courses in the region. The gentle rolling hills, the lush green fairways, and the panoramic views of the Cumberland Plateau make for an unforgettable golfing experience. From the precision required at the Bear Trace at Cumberland Mountain to the strategic challenges of the Deer Creek Golf Club, each course offers its unique blend of fun and difficulty. Speaking of the Cumberland Plateau, its beauty is something to behold. This geological wonder stretches across the eastern edge of Crossville, presenting a landscape that's both rugged and captivating. The plateau's high cliffs and deep gorges are a testament to nature's raw power, while its rich biodiversity showcases the delicate balance of life. Whether you're looking for a challenging hike, a peaceful picnic spot, or a place to capture stunning photographs, the Cumberland Plateau has you covered. Crossville's outdoor scene extends beyond these highlights. From fishing in the many lakes and rivers to bird watching in the numerous nature reserves, there's an activity for every outdoor enthusiast. So strap on those hiking boots, load up your backpack, and immerse yourself in the splendor of Crossville's great outdoors. Nature lovers, Crossville is your paradise waiting to be discovered. Crossville's vibrant culture and history are integral parts of its charm. Time to uncover these treasures. Let's start with a journey back in time, to the heart of Crossville's entertainment scene, the Palace Theater. This iconic venue dating back to the Roaring '20s has been lovingly restored to its former glory. With its grand facade and vintage charm, it represents a slice of history that continues to enchant locals and visitors alike. It's not just a building, but a living testament to Crossville's rich past and dedication to the arts. Moving on, we enter the world of drama and performance at the Cumberland County Playhouse. Established in the mid-20th century, it's one of the 10 largest professional theaters in rural America. The Playhouse serves as a cultural hub, offering a diverse lineup of musicals, dramas, and comedies throughout the year. It's a place where the community spirit thrives and where the performing arts are celebrated in all their glory. Next, we delve deeper into the past at the Homestead's Tower Museum. This unique monument stands as a tribute to the New Deal era, embodying the resilience and determination of the hard-working families who built their lives here during the Great Depression. The museum offers a fascinating insight into Crossville's past, showcasing artifacts, photographs, and personal stories from that transformative period. But Crossville's culture is not confined to its landmarks. It thrives in its people, in their traditions, and in the stories they tell. The local festivals, like the annual Fall Festival and the Crossville Christmas Parade, are vibrant expressions of this community spirit. They offer a chance for visitors to immerse themselves in the local culture, to experience the warmth and hospitality of Crossville firsthand. As we meander through the city's history and culture, we discover that these elements are not just part of Crossville's charm, they are its soul. They shape its identity, they inspire its people, and they create an atmosphere that is both welcoming and intriguing. Crossville's rich history and culture are sure to leave a lasting impression on every visitor. A trip to Crossville isn't complete without indulging in its local cuisine. The food culture here is as diverse as it is delicious, offering a smorgasbord of flavors that reflect the city's rich heritage and culinary creativity. Let's start with the local delicacies. One cannot visit Crossville without trying the Tennessee BBQ, a mouth-watering spectacle of slow-cooked, smoky goodness that's a testament to the city's southern roots. The BBQ here is a class all its own, with every restaurant adding their unique spin on this classic dish. Whether it's the tender pulled pork or the spicy ribs, each bite is a testament to the time-honored traditions of Tennessee cooking. Then there's the fried catfish, another Crossville staple. This down-home comfort food is typically served with a side of hush puppies and coleslaw, creating a hearty meal that will leave you feeling satisfied and craving for more. You'll find this dish in many family-run diners, each with their unique recipe, making it a must-try for any food enthusiast. Crossville's food scene also boasts a range of famous restaurants. There's the Catfish Cabin, known for its fried catfish and hush puppies. The Poorhouse Bistro, on the other hand, offers a contemporary take on Southern cuisine, with a menu that changes with the seasons to highlight local produce. And for those with a sweet tooth, the Art Circle Public Library's Plateau Peacemakers Quilt Guild is a must-visit. Their homemade pies, baked with love and local ingredients, are the perfect end to any meal. The city's love for food extends to its calendar of events, with food festivals taking center stage. The annual Taste of Crossville is a culinary extravaganza, showcasing the best of local cuisine, from BBQ to desserts. It's a delightful feast for the senses, where food lovers can sample a variety of dishes and discover new favorites. So next time you find yourself in Crossville, remember to bring your appetite. From its local delicacies to its famous restaurants and food festivals, the city offers a gastronomic adventure that's as diverse and vibrant as the city itself. And who knows, you might just discover your new favorite dish. Crossville's culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure you won't want to miss. Crossville, Tennessee is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. This charming city is unique, boasting a combination of Southern hospitality, rich history, and a vibrant culture. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the great outdoors, then unwind with some delicious local cuisine. Let's not forget the practical side of things. When visiting Crossville, remember to pack for all weather conditions and be ready to embrace the local way of life. It's all part of the experience. From exploring the city's stunning parks, to taking a step back in time at its historical sites, and indulging in its mouth-watering local dishes, Crossville offers an adventure that's as diverse as it is captivating. And so, as we reach the end of our journey, it's clear that there's so much more to discover in Crossville, so why wait? Plan your trip to Crossville today and experience its unique charm firsthand.